Wanky. Bigger. How na inweta this video? How na inweta this video? Can I share this live? You know that go? How na inweta this video? Can I share this live video? You know that go? Share this live video. Share this live video. Share this live video. You know that go? Share this live video. Share this live video. Share this live video. Yeah? Metaka na share button. Egwu ada atụ afọ obulu ụzọ. Egwu na atụ afọ obulu ụzọ. Ọ na egwu na atụ ya. Ọ ka eje nọrọ n'azụ. Ịghọtago? Ọ ka eje nọrọ n'azụ. Ọ chọrọ atụ Jack Chan jeburu ụzọ bido na a poor security guy nọ ilo onwe. Mathias, we are demanding for immediate release of that security guy. We are demanding for immediate release of that security guy. Until such a time you will prove to us the crime that security guy committed. Until you tell us the job you employed that boy to do, iji wee kwụọ ha ụgwọ, o ji ha ji wee na-deny na ego ọrụ ha lụrụ gị kwụrụ ha na ha receive he. If you dash me money, mgbe na-agwa ndị mmadụ na ego ahụ ị dashiri m na m receive he, apart from proving that na m receive that money, o nwere services ị kwụrụ m ụgwọ ya na-deny na ịkwụọ m ụgwọ ya ka o wee wụrụ na m na-ebu ohi. I am asking, ị dashiri m ego, onweghị ọrụ n'ọlụgụ, iwere ego dashia m, ị dashiri anyị ego, m wee na-ekwu na ego ahụ ị dashiri m na m receive he, ụtụ ụkọ iji ụgwọ. Ana m ajụkwa ndị ntị ọdụkwo ụtụ ụkọ iji ụgwọ. Ịma na ọ na-eme anọ ọtụtụ achị ịtụ mmadụ, iwere aka umekawa ife anọ ọtụtụ ya eji wee tụrụ. If a group of people you decide aka ịdashi ahụ ego, onweghị ọrụ ha n'ụlọgụ, ha bịa hospital unu, ọwụ na mụ bịa fichachalụ unu, ịkwụọ m ụgwọ, na-ekwu na ma receive that money. Ọ dịsị ka okwu ngwa na ọ dịsị ka okwu nke awụ na onweghị ọrụ ha n'ụlọgụ, onweghị business go na family, ha supply ha ngwa afịa, ha elesịghị anything, onweghị ọgwụ ha lesịrị ego, igolu ha nni, igolu ha anything, no. Lee ga wele na ega. This is for dash. Onye dashiri ife kwuo na o nwetaghị ife dashiri ya, i prove orie na nwetara ya because na ụtụ ụka ahụ iji ụgwọ. O nwere services o render alụgụ, unless no nwesiko services ịkwụrụ ụgwọ which we don't know. We demand for the immediate release of that boy. The only thing I demanded from you is to prove to us, and so what? Oh, deny go to receive. If you give me money and if you dash me money and I denied you giving me that money, are you going to call police for me? No, give me dash. You can only call police for me. No one no we fell no logo. A woman go. You got to go. Oh no logo ke kwuo go. When they deny it, they kwuo go no logo. Yes, that is where it has to come into play. Sugar weed, iye bring Ganaka very soon. I will block you now, but I am telling you, okay, for that guy, I correct down on the police. Trust me when I do my own. Akoloye Ganaka on a moto. Trust me, if I may make on a ganke udonaka, if I may make on a ganke udonaka. Trust me, you are about to learn who Ezugo is. ịmara nke m na-abịa with style. ịmara nke m na-abịa with style. Prepare ọkwa ịma defense ya kịta anyị na-enye this guy kịta. I want you to be preparing for your own defense, because between today and ụbọchị mma gwa ihe ebu ịga n'aka ewe mmeghe egwu na Facebook iwe mara ife nji wewule ezugo. Meanwhile, I will block you off this social media, then I will unblock you again, so that ya wash wee fifi ji anya wee mee onwe gị. So as I was saying, ịdashiri m ego meru transfer na ego ịdashiri m onwere ife nlụlụ. I did not do any job for you. Ka asị na m obi arụchalụ gị ọrụ, ịkwụọ m ụgwọ ọrụ nlụlụ na-edina anyị na ịkwụọ m ụgwọ. From mụnwa ide edina anyị na ịkwụọ m ụgwọ ọrụ nlụlụ o gosiri na ịka ji m ụgwọ na nka na ebe unu ji m ụgwọ. But ọ bụrụ na ịdashiri m ego na-agwa ndị mmadụ na me receive ego ịdashiri m ego, it's more like saying na ịdashiri m ego ngwa ndị mmadụ na onwere ego ịdashiri m. The only thing you need to email is to go and print out a statement prove ndị mmadụ na ịdashiri m ego, ndị ungrateful na-ekwu na ịdashiri m ego. Ya akwụkwala m polisi na ịdashiri m ego, nkwọ na ịdashiri m ego. Ana m ajụkwu n'ụwa ajụjụ ka o nwere ọrụ alụlụ anyị amahụ na o nwere ọrụ alụlụ. Ọnwụ na o nwere job alụlụ ewee kwụ ụgwọ that job alụlụ. Somebody should come and tell us. Somebody should come and tell us. We are demanding for the Asongo Aserengo. We are demanding for the immediate release of that guy and actually intimidate. That is intimidation. That is pure intimidation. That is what it is. I'm on video and I say the video is coming soon. Which video is coming soon? Which video is coming soon? Which video is coming soon? That intimidation he made that guy. Return that boy back to ABC Wejebute. Return that guy back to his duty post. That guy has not committed any crime against you. You did not transact any business with that guy. If you have given him money for free, also no receive. Yes. If you have given him money for free, or no receive for free, when you have not paid for any goods and services, what you should do is to prove to people that because not that he is not denying transaction. You did not do any transaction with him. So if you want to intimidate people, you should look for a good ground to intimidate people. Return that guy to wherever you pick him up from. Otherwise, that guy Facebook. I don't think if I they take care for granted. You can't honestly take what I am saying now for granted. You can't honestly take what I am saying now for granted. Release that guy and return him back to where you picked him from. That intimidation you want to do to that guy, it cannot happen. It cannot happen. Return that guy to wherever you picked him up from. E dashiri mmadụ ego, onye ansị no receive ego dashiri ya, or you a police on a pressing to pay him any money? On a pressing, was he pressing you to pay money to him, denying the one you have already paid him? I don't know if I am making sense to you or not. Adam Rochalo mechanic in a motor, a transfer alumego, receive the money. Then I don't go to church, but Mathias is doing right on this. He gave him money to give to the women, but he denied it. The guy should go and explain. I don't go to church, but Mathias is doing right. Look at how they always come out to show themselves. I don't go to church, but if you don't go to church, but Mathias is right, what place you and Mathias on a different side? On a different side. I am asking you, Ogogwa, if you don't go to church, but Mathias is doing the right thing, can you place Rigona Mathias on a different place? Because Mathias don't go to church, you don't go to church. Doesn't this show that both of you are on the same WhatsApp group? So this is your comment now. What point are you proving exactly? What point are you proving exactly? What point are you proving exactly? Let him go and assemble all those people on your ego, or Johanna the man on your ego on your ego. Yes. Neje assemble on the Nina or that guy. nyanya ego. Come na the guy who ego, kononye ego. I'm asking you now. Look, even Jekwifa is that very soon they will start to cry. Very soon they will start to cry. Look at comment Ejike. Remember the time Ijele was arrested? Ejike be on a Facebook page by the program now because since they have refused to respect themselves, we will be reducing them to the level. You got to go. This is not a point where you come to Facebook to come and pretend nonsense that you are not. You cannot do it unless no man on this app. Ejike, remember, 2 wrongs don't make a right. You people should forgive him and leave him. At least his freedom of speech is a. That program I name Obia Onebeka Weka Ndemacha. I know them. No matter what they are pretending to be on Facebook, they are all at the same WhatsApp group of deceivers. That is what they are. Look at comment Ejike. Look at comment Ejike. Let me show you comment Ejike. Ebe Mathias supposed to now arrest go that guy. Let me show you the comment Ejike making. Somebody will take a position. Ejike na they take it. Ejike take the same position. Mba arrest Mathias. Ejike take the same position. Mba arrest Rijele. Now look at the position the guy taking at the comment section. He has already taken down the picture of the security guy on handcuff. Can you find take it down? Taking the picture down is not enough. Let him release that guy. Otherwise, let him release that guy. Share this video. Say no Mathias Nancy here. He should release that innocent guy. He should release that innocent guy. Adama support if for job. All no will if for job do here. I will say it. Yes, I will say it. That guy he made a video yesterday. OTV video that guy. I made a video in respect to what that guy said. That is not to say that that guy will not get any assistance. Yes. At least, let us say that he acted out of ignorance. And insist you, Nifo melu wezioku, Nifo me not right. Etunda sieme. During the time of Ijele repeated that kind of video more than 10 times. They were constantly repeating that kind of video. Even when we were warning them, they were constantly repeating that kind of video. In the case of that guy only made one video. One video. If it is an error, he has realized that Nifomelu at home, which I also made a video yesterday condemning such kind of behavior and warning our people to watch how they speak. That is not to say that if that guy needs any assistance, it will not be given to him. It will be given to him 100%. But now what is important is that at least no not this one. But now the part of this security guy, I want you for God's sake to tell me the crime that this security guy has committed. Now look at Ife Madudelu. Koya na confront unda na Facebook. In or on a comment section, money de nonsense. Mani way. Okay for Ejike moment of truth. Okay for Gule Igbo. Okay for Autokama Floska Eba. Okay for Oscar. Okay for Obia. Okay for Hanchani now maintain different position. Different positions. Do different from Nke Mathias no. I want to confront her to say I confront her. Don't think that I don't know what I am doing. I know what I am doing. They are all together in unity of purpose, but they are only operating through different strategies, which I know. I reconcile all those strategies, and I'm an Lifoku can. Now listen to me. Madusili na comment section where they were say, in as much as I don't like anything about Christianity and the mentality they have instituted in us, dear Mathias, let's treat our people with love. Onya sorry. In as much as I don't like anything about Christianity and the mentality they have instituted in us, dear Mathias, let's treat our people with love. Now look at the comment Ejike moment of truth. Chameleon. Onye ihu abua. Onye ihu abua. Melemele ni ihu bompete nazo. Somebody do worse than Mathias. Ejike is worse than Mathias. That is one thing you people don't know. Mathias is actually a saint where Ejike moment of truth. No. I know him. I know his kind. I know his kind. That is why I don't take it easy with him. Ona megare ka chameleon. Betrayal. 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 I am a Christian, but I am a Christian, but I am a Christian, but you are always in the opposite direction. Yeah? You are always on the opposite direction. Opposite direction. Ndoka meife is against it no matter what. Nda meife is support where Ijele was arrested. You were against it. You were saying all manner of things to justify. Now suppose to go. Even when you realize that now Ijele can commit go crime, you were still pleading. But now suppose they forgive you. What is Christianity without talking about forgiveness and all these ones? You were preaching, talking nonsense because all nonsense again. I go lie for you. I despise people with your spirit. I despise them people with your spirit. I despise people with some spirit. Sad enough na happen and if a Facebook, Facebook, you are maintaining your real and true color on Facebook, but you are telling me leave a Facebook. Unnechu but madu nworo practically. Une we madu leave a Facebook na cause a lot of damages on the ground. Eh? What I go? Now, Ejike West Yonya. No, dear. Forget love. Okay? Likewise, okay, also Ordinaka deriva, Ordinaka, no, dear. Forget love. Likewise, if we lie against pastors, native doctors, women and people, etc., the same thing should be applied for lying against people. The same thing should be applied for lying against people. Have you seen? Onyasere, in as much as I don't like anything about Christianity and the mentality they have instituted in us, dear Mathias, let's treat our people with love. You want to go? If we then Ejike West Yonya. No. Not forget about love. These are the kind of people you are treating with cowards, speaking from both sides of their mouth. Very inconsistent people. They are not consistent. You want to go? They are poisonous, but they are trying to show you another part of them, which I already know their true color. One make yari noise, and I'm in every platform. Jena ko permanence mweji jele na mbwa arrested Mathias. Yeah? Now me and na the whole platforms. Jena ko permanence. Today, the same love, they practice humanity. They lack one single atom of humanity is not in them. What they practice is wickedness. Wickedness of the highest order. That is what they practice. You practice humanity. What do you know that is humanity? What do you know that is humanity? Obidi Kuzila love during those days. Today, Obago forget about love. Likewise, if we lie against pastors, who are the we? Who are the we? I am asking you. I thought you are neutral. You are condemning the activities of pastors and native doctors. You are condemning the activities of Christians and Indomeran. Who are the we? Which we now are you referring to? Eh? Who are those we? I want to know who those we are. Can you those we in I refer to? Same should be applied. When the same faith was applied to Ijele, what was your position? What was your position when Mathias was arrested? What was your position? Ndi hu abua? Ndi hu abua? Ebe Chineke no we kpu na oku wo na Mathias just zoro nsi aboki. Ebe aka Chineke no we kpu na oku. Mathias just zoro nsi aboki. O ba aka Chineke no we kpu no ni oku. Unu che na onyo na amana anu. Una amoho na onyo unu mara nkapu. Unu che na onyo na amana anu. Una amoho na onyo unu mara nkapu. Unu mara ife wo threat to life. Na nke the other guy unu declare one. So unu mara ife wo threat to life. Yet every day unu na make broadcast. Una na commit yali blunder. Una na commit yali blunder. Na indict yali unu up and down. Talking carelessly. Talking carelessly without direction. today ụbụrụ na agbatuta na agụgụ m n'uso enwe ha ọnụ ebe unu kwụ na akwụkwọ ọfụma unu ya azụta ana wee zọwa ute unu ya azụta ana wee zọwa ute anụrụ no delete go picture ebe o tiri the guy nọ in handcuff. I don't know why he deleted it. Why did he delete it? I thought he want to entertain us. If what you were deleted, I thought he want to show us that no one will force. Yeah? I thought if what you were deleted, Donald Smith, he will yememwe. Gonna your entire generation cannot do that. At all. Ofeke Donald Smith, if you ofeke promise, ofeke more direction. Atora Hausa. Ifele mishi. Ena be defend your ancestors. You let watch an alana. Ofeke. If you can cut trousers for house, now bagari from one street to another. Now she boy go Igbo na kulu so yango. Jara mona go ebia. Okay, Obiola Abasielu. Let me block you immediately from here. Then Moria Jeff, Emma will comment. I've been waiting for your comment. Off you go. Emma will comment at the right time. Off you go immediately. In fact, Donald Smith, off you go immediately. Drop one. Anybody drop a nonsense comment here again, I block you immediately. I will be doing that till the next 1 week. Let us get another 400 influencers off this page immediately. Target is 400. I've taken 3 out today and I can't run on here. Target is 400 influencers off this page. I've taken 3. So when we another influencer spot or insight, alert me. Let me take him off immediately. He is that boy immediately. Let's know where business is gonna email. I don't know where business is gonna email. Why know where business is gonna email? But hence no more. Okay. Oh, delete it. Right, Chineke. Hey, good as Igbo. I want to atụrụ. Good as Igbo. I want to atụrụ. I want to mpame direction. I want to okuko. Ije without one single video. Ebe this security guy Mathias arrest threaten or Mathias threat to life. Atụrụ. Mpama. Threat to life. I have support here, mana. Nkeni ni jele kuri support here. Mpama. Atụrụ. As far as you should know on this page, may make this page very uncomfortable for you. Emwe Ghana. Atụrụ Hausa. Mbi may make this page very unfavorable for you. Hence, you decide the name. I will not block you. Madam may make it don't give you a page here. You put on a page as you go. Ana konenu ina kona no go na sound ka broken record. Ana eku ife mere no Onitsha. Ina akọ nke mere na Benin. Akọwa nke mere na Benin. Akọwa nke mere na Lagos. Akọwa nke mere na Lagos. Akọwa nke mere na Asaba. You can never call at the same akọkọ mmadụ na akọ. Amụhọ na fetusiri nte na eweje akwụkwọ fetisi chago nte that na eda anu ife. Amụhọ ni nwere hearing na yeje wotaro hearing aid. Ki wala anu ife a na-ekwu ọfụma. Odiri owopugo picture ebe the guy nọ na handcuff. Go Oscar, I need that dialogue here. I don't need to dialogue here. If you cannot repeat the same thing you could before on this particular one, I don't need to dialogue with anybody. All dialogue ga kunu ji akonsel evo na bai. Mebe na ifa uposi ifu unu na efiwe ye me. Uposi ifu unu na efiwe ye bidi ime bife na ani Igbo. Amanu no se ezugo wu a Christian ima. Amanu no na family ge wu Christians. Na consel no evil. Na consel no evil. Let us dialogue. What are we dialoguing? Even when I either dialogue now in this particular matter, it's saying let us dialogue. What are we dialoguing in this matter? Yeah? What are we dialoguing? Can you show me one single video where this security guy threatened Mathias? Where? Now the guy is in no receive Hego on my business gonna email. Kasi na the guy yeshi yata eshi bekwa na demand for the same money also no receive. Onwe business go na emelu. I am asking you. Onwe business go na emelu onwe ifi gojeye owo kita. Na Mathias bia go the security guy this fine. Hasha jeno 30,000. The nyanwa kwa security guy 30,000. The security guy potakwo no receive any money. Meaning that the security guy will keep demanding the payment of this 30,000. From Mathias. So, I will go to the Mathias or police. In fact, in this case, only want to say people police the guy you listen here. Because the guy you police. Baha na Mathias go le farmer. Send the area go receive here. Still demanding for his money. If the guy did not call police, the guy can continue. What is there? What is there? Who is the complainant here? Who is supposed to be the complainant here? If this guy decides to end the matter, and walk away, it goes like that. That is what I'm saying. So, as I was saying, Owewolo ni golum fana we send the almego we can eku na me receive the money. At least him and anka ya da agba wo fana. Whereas in the bid can go and confirm what proof road to them mother. Ni jiro si mo fana na ekugo mo ugbo. You will go and they either print a statement to prove that na ekuro mo fana. Mama may decide to take you to the police. Maybe I'm not farm. But I am asking you. On our way, Batanu no Christmas. Send the allo woman na go. We her Christmas. Woman na we poor na he receive he send her. Ye je follow her police negi dash her dash. Ana ma joga ajujo. Ye je follow her police negi dash her dash. I am. If you don't want to go and print your account statement to come and show them that deceive you walk away. Next time, don't give to them. Yes. Dash the mother dash. Onya neku ni inye ego. Can if you police? Or in your ga ko je melu something. Iji that money wait yozi. That's no really. Then unless it's equal, no need the money. You got to go. Unless it's equal, no need the money. Only Hosiende is the money. Unless no need the ego, when you came the ego. Owewolo nanda loki Hosihega. That becomes a problem. Manowolo no so. No kulu ni ego. Itekwa wulu ni ego. Owewolo nya kijiweje me arrest. He is that boy. In the case of Ebudon, I am waiting to know the case you have established against Ebudon. That Ebudon will say, no, if only security are warrior, man, not sure he will. He will put away here. No, you couldn't even find mother warrior, not sure you could not. And Siam on one for CBC. So, he may one mother arrest and he for Kayeku and not if for Sometimes I'm home. Sometimes I'm no natural. You wake up to reality of what is happening. When has court started convicting somebody? Na crime make an HHA committee and not a committee but a committee. When has court started convicting somebody? Nifi ka yeku and not unkiku. I'm asking you. Even that in email for you to put it down on statement. For you to put it down on statement, police must try to push you. go and release that boy. Go and release that boy before that case is brought out of proportion into his expect. Go and release that boy. And I'm now so that you can get that message straight. Go and release that boy before that case is brought from that show. All you needed to do is to go and print your account statement and prove that this guy you don't owe anybody anything after all. Yes. Go and release that guy. What if that guy email? What if that guy email? Prince Ushelo Hapofano. They don't like you, but they always like being in your program. Can you focus on it? If na etarin na apia na aba. You want to go? Etarin na apia. Etarin na apia na aba. You want to go? Italy na apia ọ na-aba ide enter ka ilugodu nwobele ọrụ ka iruo nwobele ọrụ ka ha wee kwetagodu na ọ na-eme ka iruo nwobele ọrụ ka ha wee kweta na ọ na-eme ka ha wee marụ na ono na-awe basi anya ono na-awe basi anya ono na-awe basi anya ị chọrọ ka ije intimidate the guy because na believe na the guy enweghị mmadụ ka business go na emelu achọrọ nke ekuziela anyị ọ bụ ụnụ nwe business ọzọ go na emelu anyị amaghọ ka business go na emelu ihe ji wee je kpọrọ ya police n'okwu na ego sendịrị ya no receive ka business dị fa go na emelu unwe business ọzọ unu melu do different from ego dash refa dash since when ka ebidoro ụtụkọ wiji ụgwọ ụtụkọ wiji ụgwọ Michael Jeremiah ya wuru godu na ife ọgbarụ wu correct and authentic transfer ya wuru godu no after all nwebụghị onye majority of us na demand for that payment onwebụghị onye gwara ya na ife ọgbarụ wu fake transfer ife anyị kwuru uwu na ndị mmadụ na-agba fake transfer. Are you not aware na people na-agba fake transfer? A na-agba fake transfer agba. So the only thing you need to do is to print your account statement, go send the mmadụ screenshot to that place, or you walk away because onwere onye iji ụgwọ. There is no services ha render iji wee kwụ ha ụgwọ. Onweghị ọrụ ha rụrụ iji wee kwụ ha ụgwọ. Ụtụ ka ahụ iji ụgwọ. Ịghọtago? Anyị decided ka anyị sesịsịa ya akwara ka efu ka ọ na-adụ. Ka anyị tinye na confusion ka efu ka ọ na-adụ. And I'm very happy na confusion na woto a batara n'ahụ. Ka efu ka ọ na-adụ. Ịpụta na-akwụgharị. Ka efu ka ọ na-adụ. Ịgbagharị ya na kịta hit esu na n'ahụ. Ifu ka o si adụ. Ịlachapụ ọsọ. Land ya na area command Ọnịsha. Ijere ime ka entry. Na mmadụ kwuru na obo niile na-ebo ndị pastọ. Obom niile na-ebo ndị pastọ. Gụnụ ka ha megoro. Obom niile na-ebo ndị pastọ. ma ndị kwuru na ha na-eme arenji ma ndị kwuru na ha na-eme nke a ma ndị gbagoro na ha ife niile bogosgoro ndị mmadụ ole n'ime ha bịago arrest ya nke arrest ga arrest ịma ife kọmitiri eji wee arrest nke ahụ mana ịma na nke ahụ senior arrest ị nwere idea na nke ahụ senior arrest ịghọtago is that guy na onwe ife that guy meriwu don't worry but ya arrest onye nwere ife o meriwu perhaps just like in that our brother yesterday ịghọtago just like in that our brother yesterday I don't need to say much na that one ịghọtago the only thing we need to do is to caution our brothers, but that does not mean that we will allow water to swallow him. But what we just need is to caution our brothers. But on this one, allow that guy to go. Now the case of Ebudon, Hama say imelu madebele no nye mwapa no yetu. You want to go? Because now man niye many intimidation. Egwa hato ye land newi. Say to isi we ko this guy ega. Ko Ebudon ega we onye ke we wonye go to kineme. Tisi ebe a ka o gosiri na mmadụ ka ibe ọkwa na akọpụ 911 tisi ebe a ka o gosiri na mmadụ ka ibe ka ị mara na nwoke ha n'ọnụ ishe nọ security man ka ọwụ ishe nọ security man ma ọ ishe n'ihe head ishe nọ ekele afe sistus ishe nọ ụmụ okoko a irekrutu chista online na subscribe or data 1000 115 you know on iwepụta ha online ejikwa 100,000 nye ha ishe no ha if anybody who know this guy if ko goes we kwe anybody who know this guy ịmakwa onye tiri na line ife a ịmakwa onye tiri picture na Facebook page gị ife a anybody who knows this guy if the kids we kwe insult mkpale yeah. If he needed ime webe ahụ o deelu onye amị na ụga n'obi Nnewi olu ịkpọ mmadụ ma ọ ịkpọ ndị polisi oke look ha bata ha ekwuo na onye akafa na-achọ ejegosi gị onye na-achọ ozoha ezo Ebudon ezoha ezo ọfisi ya educhiri ụzọ case if you don't know. Una kana anu ife na-ekwu loud. Ọ na unu kana anu ife na-ekwu loud. Mmadụ deelu m yes. Una na anu ife na-ekwu. Somebody deelu m yes. Ọ na unu na anu ife na-ekwu. Somebody deelu m yes. Anje block ọ nọmba na-ada abịa emebisiri m ife. Ọ na unu na anu ife na-ekwu. Somebody deelu m yes. Somebody dekwa yes ọzọ. Anje block ọ the number immediately because na ọ na ha achọ ka every time ma ebido n'ime program ọ bata here. Okay, yes, we can hear you. Don't worry. Let me do the needful now. Okay, daalụ. Okay. Okay, onye asị yes. You want to go? ị na-awanye oke ịchakasịrị ndị mmadụ anya na-adụghị mma mana ịpụta na Facebook oghepụ ọnụ ka gota na-ekwue without direction. Christians niile bi nie decide ya to take steps, legal steps against you. Ihe eji ego niile nwere wee ko case. On ịmara not possible. If not because we are also exercising that accommodating spirit eji wee zụọ, that forgiving spirit eji wee zụọ. that tolerance eji wee zụọ anyị ịmụrụ na ikwulite n'ife every Christian ọrụ na Zambia onye ọnwụna kpọrọ enwe a Christian, onye ọnwụna kpọrọ onwe a Christian can take a legal step against you. That time ikwulu na ọnwụna nwere ife melugu ejide ndị esiọ ndị pastors esiọ ndị fa ejide ndị Christians zimenka, somebody can take a step. More than 50 people can write petitions against you. Yes, they can write different petitions against you. All na Zambia, they can do it to you. Also na Nigeria the only one that balance because equal Christians are not say okay, but you don't know that name will a body who Christians. So equal ni yebusi ndebe dike, isi ndebe dike na regundu maka na equal half mad be dike. Dike opolo a family. Christianity opolo an umbrella. Opolo an umbrella. E potagba the other day they say picture ebe na la party. Potagba ndị mmadụ na ndị Christians yebido enwosese chaje elebe akpati. Haje elebe akpati na ndị Christians yebido enwosese even self na igwe akpati 100 na n'ihi eleche. Who are the Christians? I am a Christian. You don't need to call my name. I understand the use of innuendo properly in this particular one where you don't mention the full names of that person. Yes, I understand. Quiet well. So when you refer to Christians can face you squarely as Christians, not individually, because they worship in the same place as Christians. Their place of worship is a house that holds Christians, not individually. That is where Christians go to worship. So if you pose any threat to them, they will face you squarely. Don't think you can call them names by names. That name Christianity is an umbrella. It is a modern name. It is a modern name. Be very careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. He continue with the straight is inevitable. He continue in this trajectory Ijengaro will be inevitable. Mark a program mark your date. Mark we decided to serve you in your own coin. We decided to speak to you the language you always understand. Now we know that you don't actually understand the language. You are only pretending and using it against other people. One day, if I will be approved only the guy you go. Yes. Or in your ego. If you came away for that, you just prove only in your ego. It's very simple. And when you do that, you just power police. Police in a pocket or no equal your motor. Or no equal your watch well over city no one equal your can if in a police. Onwe transaction go na emelo egi dash the mmadụ na ọdụ ka egi go na akpa. You don't have to give any account. You are not accountable. There's no accountability here na egi dash the mmadụ. You got to go. There is no account mmadụ yenye you na egi dash there. You got to go. There is no account mmadụ yenye you na egi dash there dash. You got to go. There's no account mmadụ ya emelu na-ege dash ya dash. Adịghị m account ya eme. Inye mmadụ ego, inyego ya ego. Ịghọtago? Onye asịsịkwa adị nye ihe. If you don't want to prove na inyere ya, you work your own way because that way is ụtụ ka ahụ iji ụgwọ. O nwere ụgwọ iji onye ọ kasị na onye ọ dị na ya na inyere ya ego. Ị mara na oho tukwara accountable na ịka ya akwụkwa ya ụgwọ na ịka ya akwụkwa ya ụgwọ iji. There is nothing like that. So what is the case there? I want to know what the case is. No ego. I want to know what the case is. Unless it's go. Now like I said, no the guy enyeho nde kusinye ego. You quote that one as single okay. Hold him accountable. Nya wolu mana e qualify here as Christians who are lying. Na Enugu full of lies. In a eziokwu, otu mkpụrụ eziokwu adịghị n'ọnụ. Ịghọtana? Mana n'ime ndị ị na-eri, ịghọtago, mugwu aha agwụ. Mugwu aha agwụ. N'ime ndị ị na-eri, agwa hence you have decided to make yourself a tool. There will not be peace for you. You will not have peace. Henceforward, going henceforth, you will continue to run around police posts. You are welcome, sir.
Ezugo. So kids go deceive you like Ozegi number na agba.
Hello.
Oya drag na mma.
Hello.
So also obere okwu ka m chọrọ ikwu. O nwere one boy nsara okwu now. Or say if anything happened to him, East will be no worse than today. As a screenshot from me hand okwu a.
Screenshot here address enough. Let some people go and open his profile. Picture to there. Let them screenshot the picture.
Okay.
Screenshotting the comment is not enough. Let them go and open. Let somebody go and open that name here. Oh no, we picture no fake account. But no fake account. Somebody may pay a screenshot and you don't worry. Technology there now. Now what for you? Unless not
de Alpha Mathias. If you dey Antichrist Mathias Ezeaku, Jesus Haram leaders, because now he only recruit the gay Christian could we enrich himself. Obero kunchogbat na ndi neso Mathias anu rezibo wine. Yes, because now only if I name now my wife will caution me. Nkibo onwere ndi no Mathias nso na adu ezigbo todo. Oh to akesi na Ghana now. And more condition here. Oh, go on. Now. So everything makes so much sense. I'm not only correction or no reasonable why sometimes because we and that way is you. Now, Mathias now right now. I'm gonna threat not threat each other. Christian, maybe individual. We're with the police now. I know if you post Mathias say he's born. In a fight. Kadi mad na social media. Kadi mad men on ground. Only king will. Omo bosan program as not na I do 1,000 naira. Igwe check any case of na mbaro. Nkan no bro Igbo na nke no ya Ghana ndị na-ekwu okwu a nsi okay. Omo ko be na agba ya ume na atago 1,000 naira. Iji we chebiri case obuna na aga fa. Now, ndị na fight kadi we nwere mmadụ. And beside is that na Enugu state ka ọ bụ menu man Akwa state yo and I has obodo and I go na Igbo now Enugu state go minority ni ha na eme I'm saying it particular Nsukka bo si we bia njem Nsukka go minority or ya try me na bennie ihe o mera two man now abuna na did the woman for police kpore imana abuna eme nwunyem I will lock him ya eme nwunyem me arrest on pare ka obo abuna did the woman for police kpore we na gini ka yeku and the kids that nas ana ha be ezigbo odo wa oji eme nwoke oji bu so mo ka na eme ya me ofu nwoke ka akụpụ ya ọnụ ya me ofu nwoke so ndị na akụkọ na ha dị ezigbo odo ọ na-ewe iwe na eji eme expose ọ na-agbagharịzi maka na emere expose owe na-agbagharị when so bad ọnụ ọ yekegide kesi ka agwụ ha tọgoro 1,000 naira tetụsụara ike ama na ndị ahụ na-achọ ka enwe mmadụ both Facebook both on ground onye nje ego ọ ife dị eweta ego ọ bụ nke ọzọ ọ bụ m ya eweta ego ka ọdị n'igbo ya eweta ego gwa m ndị ya eweta ego anyị sponsor case nwa my set ya concast na bụ why somebody ya eweta ego even ndị n'obodo ebe sel enweghị ka ya eweta iji sponsor ọ ndị ogwuru wayo ihe gosi mmadụ isi mana ndị na-eble mbụ Christian because na ha gbara nkịtị sinsi ọ gbasara m abụ m Catholic abụ m Anglican abụ m Pentecostal agba nkịtị sinsi ihe a jebe ya try ya Muslim onwere ngo Christian chịrị Nigeria except Obasanjo onwere ozi again and Jonathan yes onwere ngo ya try Christian Muslim ha coffee ha eme okay I don't blame Christian because ha gbara nkịtị since onwe chance na-eme ihe ọ na-eme akparị onye ọkparị onye a o si like ya ọ na-akparịsị ha ọ nyere mora o ji ezuzu a mana wee nsogbu adọrọ mana ọzọ nchekwa na a na ha kwe and nga na-eche a na-enuga aka o nwere post mpụzi ede mgbe mma na-eti mkpu n'isi jizike gị na ya n'akụkụ gị ọdịda erugo and ịdebe ada anja na ya agba ọsọ ha eseme mkpọtụ one day ha agba ọsọ echefuo gị ọkwechefugo na nke a na were na-eti mkpu na udenebodi ha ese mmanụ enwere n'igbe anaghị atụ ụjọ ọka na-ekwokwu now no boys can pay for the again everybody no boys can pay for him again everything end go so and ihe ọ na-ehe recruit now mgbe ọ ya bons ekwumekwuzi eke onye ọbụla mara okwute n'ime ahịa mata na okwute ma n'ime ahịa o kwere ike ikwu ihe iti nwanne gị nwoke okwute ma n'ime ahịa nwere ike ihe itie nwanne gị because ị na-ama iche n'ime ahịa ị mara onye nwere ike ime ite gị onye okwute ya meet o nwere mgbe ya nata fụ ihe okwute mere ọ bụ na o mere onye nke dị very close to you but that's the regret azie so a na-eme na ọ naghị atọ ụtọ destruction na-abịakwa n'ebe ọ nọ mana ọ marọ dịka a na-enwe ana onwe na-adịghị ezigbote ọdụ ma ndị gụrụ akwụkwọ n'akụkụ ya a na-adịghị ezigbote ọdụ biko a na-agwa okwu ọ mmadụ ka esi ekwu okwu Mathias dị iwe ọkụ ọ dịmanwụ njakịrị ọ dịghị edinwu onye ọbụla bụ kwụsịpụta soshal midia bụ onye na-anagide nwu ihe na ihe dịka agwago oke nagide nwe bụ onye na-amata njakịrị ọ gara akpa kọmedi ọ dịmanwụ njakịrị ọ dịghị edinwu mana onye achọ ịgba mmadụ gị nwa dị right ndị onye dị wrong abịara n'Igbo sọgbọn abụrụ holy person na-enweru all those sinners no problem wụrụ karata gị tụaka ndị mmadụ ife ji preach nkịta na-abụ karata gị ọ karata ka ndị ọcha gosi ndị be eji wee so na abandon gafe idols onwere onye afọ sụrụ mebi arụsị onwere ọ karata ka eji wee so isi ret na nke anyị na-ede mma wepụta ezigbote karata ka ndị mmadụ so gị ọ bụrụ ihe mba ọ bụrụ ihe ọnụ ọ bụrụ ihe n'ọgụ nwanne gị dị nwanne gị mma akwa nwanne m asị na ọ na-eme nne madụ possible ije Yoruba now ekwukwe program kwere ya aja na Yoruba 36 Odogbe Street Ile-Ife ebe ka dueto landlord do ebe ezigbote a Christian nwunye izizi bụ a Muslim Alhaja second wife bụ Christian every night 10 o'clock akọ bell irituo ikpe ekpere ụbọchị Friday eje mosque adị afọ ọsọ mmadụ ụka ị na-eje
eweniwe onye kwuru if anything happens to him is will be worse ndị ala ọkwa the same thing ka a na-ekwu akpụrụ ya jee Abuja ha gbafụsịa ndị ala gaba n'iru
if I can if not I do go church but nothing will happen brother
ọ na-reply onye ahụ kwuru na onwe ife merie na East we boy
okay so onye na-ekwu na bụ that na Mathias ada mụ njakịrị as you can ịda mụ njakịrị imechi ọnụ onye na-ama njakịrị agwa okwu die just na security kwuru eziokwu ikpe kpọchie mmadụ one ka ya akpọchi amen ka ya eme arrest
ya wurugodo reserve na ife the security guy na-ekwu wasị like ya wurugodo na action onye the security guy ego the security guy kwuo na onye ihe ana m ajụ biko ego ịdashịrị mmadụ adashị ego iji ho wee zi mmadụ ozi kedu ife wara ntịrị ọwụgodo na mụ dashịrị gị ego ikwuo na menye oghe ego o nwere afịa ntụrụ o nwere ife mbịagolugwu kedu ife ihe ụtụ ka ọwa iji ụgwọ if you cannot show something to gosi na mụ na ego ahụ ịdashịrị m a lot of people emenara ha favor today ha gụọ na onwe ife meru ha ihe jekwara onye a polisi onye imeru favor ọgụọ na imeghorie favor ihe jekwara ya polisi olesi na onwere ego na ego ahụ ewe ego iji wee tụ ya afịa so whether na onye rote gaghị ego ahụ ọ na onye hote gaghị ego ahụ there is no reason ihe eji wee jekpọ that guy police there is no reason ihe eji jekpọ that guy police there is no reason ka ya pụ nwanne anyị nwoke batara ọfụ gị okwu
ana m ekene gị Ezeaku ana m ekene mmadụ niile enwere ajụjụ m chọrọ ịjụ enwere ihe na-agbagoju m anya the day Edu Don jere mee the security guy interview enwere ajụjụ Edu Don jụrụ the guy and I'm still wondering because here Edu Donu to the security guy. He jụrụ nwaanyị aha asịsị nye 10,000. Enwere ego enyere nwaanyị before nwaanyị apụọ. Now, the Edu Donu ajụọ the security man, he nwetara alert.
No, happy. Brother, can you in a Westpo? I said, Expo, in a Pukita,
I'm going somewhere. This is two different things. Mathias nwere right, he made the guy arrest. Obuna, Austin the guy ego, and the guy gara ime ihe ọsọ ya were ego ha mee o nwere right ime arrest. That's the truth. Now, mana ọ bụrụ na the guy hapụghị ego na akaụntụ ya, he need to prove, or Mathias ga-prove na o sendịrị ego and the guy receive ego ọbụla. It is two different things. So ọ bụrụ na nwaanyị receive ego, the security man might not give the woman ego ọbụla. Nke ahụ the real. Ajụọ the woman enwetara ego, ọ sị na ya enwetaghị ego. The guy enyeghị ego. So I am still confused. Obona Mathias made the boy arrest based on the boy say near receive any money. Why na Mathias the sure no send the ego and no evidence no send the guy ego. Where's the ozi yogi game? On every right he made the boy arrest to come and prove no receive ego. It's just like otu ay no vitoga. Obona nyege ego, nyege 100,000 that shara mmado. Send the ego, he receive alert. Where all the person in sitting ego, on half where senior receive ego opona. And with them right, ejugu, kedego nyere kedije weme, and with every right.
Yeah. My brother, Shelu, I know I have a dasugari, okwisi. Obolo no nwere afa bia golum, iwe kwuo m gwa afa bia golum. Ọ n'iji ego wezi mozi nwe gwa na me receive ho ego ahụ iji wezi mozi. It is not left for you to come and arrest me to prove that na ego ahụ na me receive or na me receive he. What you need to do is to go to your bank. You either print a statement, you come and show me that statement to prove to me that na ego ahụ no galo. Then always if someone need to reach me with my bank, if actually that I don't receive that money. But over na mu receive that money, what you need to do is to get a proof to show me that one day now, what of in a case whereby Nigo Mafia is he homozi, ne dash ni mego, e dash ya mego, nse na menweta hege dash him, ijimugwa, are you owing me? Now, are you owing me?
I am not owing you, man.
I won't need you that you are not owing me. And you don't want to prove that what we want or gonna come with another person matter because all the come cannot security man. I make it on naga. Ije na shop kotek na newi. Jegori fe na shop kotek na newi. Iwe me transfer. Kotek ha we gba na he nweta he transfer. Yes. Also, when you want to have without the money, man, you can go do to one thing or the other. Rectify the money with area. They told you nothing with aro. Ego a transfer. Therefore, they cannot use Ngwafia ego. Okay, no, or you just want to have police. Or you just rectify ya with your bank. What approve go straight ha? How to say na higher you Ngwafia after you have proved to them. How do I release the Igbo because if you go but how can your property? However, you hire release your property not in their possession. You can get police involved. But
that is
okay.
In this case, Mathias Ezeaku transfer this man 130,000.
Yes. If you send the guardian with a request, comment can send about
now. Mathias Ezeaku. People were made the man interview. The man see, name where I receive. Mathias was screenshot to payment slip. Go see the gagara. Opens to your page here. He posted the slip. He go see the gagara. Now, what he did, he feel police involved to invite the man.
My brother, on have to stand organ. Only non handcuff or invitation call. Only non handcuff or invitation call.
No.
Police, let's take it there.
Only non handcuff. It's not invitation.
Obuna police mega invite. Obuna Ibia. It is either it is still force by force. How may right to make handcuff? Man, nobody knows the situation. And when I am at the situation, the boy you me handcuff.
No,
man, I'm trying to prove to you. Now Mathias were right. He invite the police. Came and investigate. He go send this guy with proof. The guy is not receiving ego.
Which proof? Nothing and proof. Which proof?
Printed. Okay. He printed.
So my brother, I'm getting a shop. Okay, I'm getting a shop. Okay, when you were ambassador channel of truth, I'm getting a shop. Okay, we be a go rafia. We go after 500,000. We send the allo we go print the receipt. The guy and send the go. We go say here. Now more transfer we go. Money receive we go. Here is him ngwafia, especially ebe ma ho regular customer go. Ma ho nyem here is him ngwafia.
I would never release it to you.
So ebe o na with the payment slip ngosiri that you will still not release that ngwafia to me. Why are you always saying that? Now Mathias supposed to proof of payment. Proof of payment. You didn't say the ngwafia. Even showing transaction slip is equal to proof of payment.
My name is sleep ngwa ahia ahụ. Igosim sleep ngwa ahia ahụ. Nsigi na big di afia. I will not stop you from calling police to investigate me if you run account mwa. I won't stop you.
Ogacheru. Ask mother ahia in hand now. Some mother ahia make transfer. Go sleep the person mo nyem the thing. Narrow yard they go bounce back again. Nambuka here, I just ida roboto or bounce back again. Important and phone na ega nku na chikurazu upon off sleep off Sunday. Or not chanya again. Make an dey yard dey cash n'aka. Open go back here. The person no. Ega go bounce back that sleep above the evidence. The person book and the money about money points. Money point. Ima money point. Na is nabo. Or the list nabo. Oh, go ahead go with hands to cement got a block na village. 1,000 naira. Akwa me go send the first sleep. O go the money go sipo. O we him near the money. Happen the company just block about so hands up money points. Ade je naka. Ima na go inwe kiji ATM gi PS now. Ko je we do ego. Ode ne go puna account oge. O be go na chia azu. O menu go gi. O no go mi adem here. Money ji ATM gi je o. Eje kunye slot in o set na nego pun account again obligo na chia kwa azu again man ka me let me something you can remember ye je bank here about na the money for na ezioku o put a stop na obligo okuchie account anwa eji we with that money na o ka me investigation hence offer not immediate intimidate and upload the boy with that PS Orodo
TV we are on that Orodo TV we are on that Orodo TV say has anyone gone to release the security guy we are on that
so and that guy O'Brien with the PS the one because he was
okay.
Here the one
can I ask you a question okay let me ask you a question
yeah
Obuna nguma Mathias Ezeaku. Yeah. Iwe mere mmadụ transfer 130,000 nye mmadụ. Then onye afọ wee si na receive any money. He didn't receive any alert after some days. Kedu ihe ị ga-eme after you got a bank? You've gone to your bank. We confirm one ego hapụrụ. Ị ga na bank confirm one ego pụrụ. What will you do?
Thank you. Nje bank now nje wo state of account mbe secure post oye. Ejizim bank yanwa mechie to close the account anwa. Yes.
Close the account.
Nkanti ego
No.
until you are
No. Gegodunti. Gegodunti.
To bank kobo or bank to bank, not police something. Listen.
Your bank confirm one. Mathias confirmed nego pon account here. He posted the screenshot.
Clip go Siri. Oh yeah, J account and then account. Clip go see. Oh, when here say, ever go money transfer. Now only no gwaba you go pass no gwaba ndaru moto. Made transfer or they send it. Before me do yard the bank some back again. 52,000 naira. No go na money when I phone said nega nkuru gi ngosiri nderu send bank for back again. Boss me amaro. Mecha will be an direct they go cash. The boy will go over here. On a meme. What to that na the money na charazo na bank na account to Mathias one. Who go konye aye blame si. Ye je na account here. Ebu ne Ghana taro. O won cha wagina woru bank gi load ego now. Just woru phone number gi load ego na account gi. Maybe every MTN e dey Airtel. You load with the number gawa. Money ye dey correct. Ebu na MTN kin use dey Airtel. You load see ego now. That's credit gi. After some days, the MTN are return that money back again because now he did with MTN Airtel kilo on the minimum 24 hours. I watch here also. That they go card down. They watch your card down. You never ask him try now. We'll take MTN again now. Everybody has say MTN. He did Airtel. He see number MTN Gama. He may see he send there. Oh, I think no go. Even some days, I had to phone that money back. I basically know MTN stroke Airtel. Okay, today I return it back again. My time was the first step of go go na bank here. I can never him. Ojene and don't you want case ebo. Oye we walk ada ati believe me. And then kume ndi no Mathias inside the way Ezeaku. They are pushing him to early grave. Brunka Nobi. Ndi no sana way Ezeaku.
Orodo TV am before you remember Sunday request or you kwaga. Orodo TV accept all request.
Okay, never now. Oh, nobody even know to it. I ain't not going to one now. Man, now one because I don't know fast so. Or running a jail also. Legend now forget the enemy. Mathias na fundi to the enemy. And the USA. Let me tell you tomorrow. Oh, it's our tomorrow. No tata now. Here this Mathias Epo. The USA. The Peru this charity. Then him will oku. I will call to off. I will go home. I get sponsor and the Christian.
Mba n'anya one night when you were ma like ka I limit here to this particular discussion.
Okay.
I discuss. I will get here to the root of if I know. My own is that now. Isn't the other mother ego? Oh yeah, see no what I ego. Isn't there? Whether no what I or no what I have. Okay, no logo in a bank or print a statement. Prove Bologna. Listen the ego. That is it. There is no need to police.
And if you're proving it to him or taking him with the ego, what would you do?
What do you mean by soon what I ego? Can't get what soon what I ego. If you go to the mother, name for soon what I ego.
Name with a lot. Let's go. Open a Mbe hectare no send the ego. You didn't receive a lot. In the print your statement, go see. You see, receive a lot. I have done everything from my bank. Go see. You see, receive a lot. Then what do you want me to do?
Listen. Oh, we here. Yeah, this man that security interview. Ojo the boy. Ojo the security. That woman now receive Diego or Semba. Ojuro will receive the boy. The security will receive ego. Or that woman called Juro or receive the money. Which the woman's name is Chirazo. They draw her as no more go up in the half. Let me tell you, my brother, kiss the boy. Mathias, you go say, "Oh, Jena bank, they confirm bank here."
The only video surfacing online. The only video put out online where the guy you no receive lego. Mathias send there. Now Mathias will enter send from Gono. So why would you disregard that video? Maybe that guy will no receive the money. Carry for natural. Who is he looking for? Monago before case Monago a rule in a police in the case of Name receive ego or Namu receive ego, something that can be traced either through the bank, even POS or police, even POS. I now encounter this problem every day. Also, when you want to move with a leg, where single, na me with a it is left for you to prove. Na move with that money. What of every man who has goods and services in menu? Makebo ku anada ese wogu all need na POS. You are expecting them to give you your cash a transfer or need a golungwafia. You are expecting them to give you the goods or need a you are expecting them to allow you to go. Then now I am talking about this because never go adash mother adash. What is it like aside you proving to the person what services konya render to you? Onwenu ụgwọ onye a ka na-edimande ịya akwụ ya ebe ọ na-ekwugo ya ụgwọ nke ijie. I want to know kedu ụgwọ like ebe ị nọ kịta eweje m ego nye gị for dash kedu ibe m ejije kpọrọ gị polisi maka na m dashiri gị ego isi na inwetara ego isi na inwetara ego inweta isi na inweta ha ọdụmalụ
Ezugo, are you not worried? Are you not worried that this security man cannot stand by his words?
What is my business?
The same security man is near receive ego. There's someone. And with a video no online.
My brother Sheru, without video, ebe security man how kulu no receive ego a transfer on go 500,000 now. What I go sing online now.
The video is online.
The video is online. The
video is online.
My brother, let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you what happened. Why? Mathias Ezeaku no 10,000.
Yes.
10,000. Now I follow up. 10,000. Why you will now transfer ego. And then put a network na so of which na video Mathias Ezeaku sele. I fully complain about that network. The woman now walked away. Now na network na so no nwetara ego. Will it be wrong if I say that now they get sending in Oba? Why? Because thank you. Now the only video that is supposed to show on his favor no nwetara ego or no nwetara ego. Who video nke haje made the man how because you made the guy okwo no nwetara ego. O nwetasiri ego nwetara ego. If I will pagari look let me tell you. Look the guy made video okwo no nwetara ego. On a watch so now on that no. O will ever follow the security guy who know with a ego. Yes. O will ever the security guy who know with a ego.
Edudon went to interview him. Also, the woman ego. The woman.
No with a ego, Mathias
no.
So can you see Mathias situation arrested?
He needs to prove. Mathias needs to show.
Prove what? Prove what?
Wait. The man, Mathias in the show, not send the ego with proof in a phone here. He
the man will not send the Holy Ego. The man will not send the Holy Ego. The man will not send the Holy Ego.
Edudon media interview is proving. Then when Mathias send it, no arrange.
The man will never put on no jury no receive ego. Mathias send it. Will never put on no jury.
No.
The
woman called you.
Edudon
was proving. O receive ego Mathias send there. O ebe o juri ya na ife o juri ya wo na that woman I told ego na enyelu ya ego.
Thank you.
The security man we kwuo na enye ho the woman ego. Now kelu the crime the security man. What is his crime?
Thank you.
The crime
You are boxing me into a corner. Wait, Edudon Galajem man interview is trying to prove that Mathias Ezeaku that he didn't send any money.
Hi.
That was what the video.
Now, are you now the Nibo Biu Enonime Ebudon?
It was
Yes,
the
on a
visual.
normal, Mathias
That's what was
Ezeaku,
it was proving.
Shelu, my brother, on a normal, Mathias Ezeaku is the master of RNG. On a normal,
How?
he is the master
How?
of RNG.
How?
You know what I go?
How? How?
Now, that is not what I'm talking about. In I say, na Ebudon na-achọ ka o prove na Mathias wu onye RNG in this matter. Whereas na mgbe Ebudon ruru ebe a, he did not ask the security guy no receive ego Mathias sendere. Rather, if ọ jụrụ the security guy is that na enyelu that woman ego, the security man kwuo na enyeghị the woman ego na the woman apụọ na but the woman told us that na sendiri ego ahụ na ego ahụ agaghị na netwọk na-ekwu na netwọk problem of which na vidio ahụ Mathias tiri na a na-complain about network there. So if we assume by what we see in that video, nega hagaho, it is left for Mathias to prove to people that nega hagaho. Also the one who sleep, since he is more interested in proving us right than listening to what the security man or transfer Ego Kuru. He should go ahead and prove us right and forget about the security man. I wouldn't insist that that money because now you know na network problem. Let him go to the bank and print out the statement and show us I am Manu Nega Galaga. Oh, what you court no problem he will have a serious problem. Even in the police station, even in the police station. You want to now decode if Ebudon are you Ebudon?
He said it there. Open the video. Then go send it. Na Mathias.
You confirm to me that all the Ebudon came arrest. If the only video showed that security guy, the only thing the security guy now the first video na the woman ego. Now the second video nego Mathias send there no receive here. Why is that security guy in police net? For what exactly? I'm asking you. For what exactly?
He is in police net because he told us na receive ego. Now I will show you. Did you give the woman the money? So he should go and explain why
Mathias Okusinye the woman 130,000.
Yes. 10,000. Yes, 10,000.
So in that video, ATV online, did you see clearly when that woman walked away in that video? Did you see clearly that video? Did you see that video? Online. Let's discuss that thing. Did you see a video by TV where that woman clearly walked away? Did you see that video? In that video,
I didn't see that
not see it. The woman clearly walked away while they are still there. So why will you go and arrest him?
Yes.
Because
what I'm saying is, let me be clear. You got where I'm going. Mathias with every right. Every right.
He doesn't have any single right to arrest that guy.
Let me.
He doesn't have any single right to arrest that guy.
Arrest.
Just like that because not even man.
Something. If you give me money to go and do something for you, I want to make you every right each police check
since you na that woman receive ego. Mathias problem onwelu my live broadcast o melo bosia. Oku no for that security guy joye no nye that woman ego.
Thank you.
Security guy see no. Now awolo no for here see in this woman ego or see yes. Why now the fact is proving that no nye ego 10,000 we feel so kuketa abi. Honor 120 without 10,000. Yes. Or not about this woman. Where's this woman? I know about this man. Where's here? Maybe you host this woman 10,000. Give me back that 10,000. The guy where's here? No, I will not give you back that 10,000. It is a different bargain.
Yes.
Except in a trust the if you just a model picture. It is time to end the Ndoka lies and the gap. Na handcuff. Na Facebook. We started raising alarm. We delete na handcuff.
He was very wrong. He was very wrong.
What is he hiding? Or because of 10,000? What you that guy arrest?
Money opposed wrong. The money opposed wrong.
The opposed to be very wrong. The opposed to what he posted is very wrong. It is very wrong.
Excuse me, one now. The money opposed. I guess that now. This man is the advisor. The money opposed to very wrong. Either way.
Onya coach went to eat your spoon now. What did you do?
No sense. Let me come to one now. Come on with Oku. Everything in Mathias Ezeaku. Enugu State, but mine no na Igbo. I'm Enugu State. I'm on Soka from Mafuma. Mathias choice was Jebeha. Have you on number state? You have your name. You have Unapanye no Unapanye. Omun is advisor. Okupa opposed now. When he came on Mathias, Oku do boy can wear. Let me tell you. Take out the boy put oh, when you come to case, I will go. The boy put now. The man of boy said, you opposed to big women, Jimmy. Everybody give me pay. Either way, never give me. Omubonyema of the age Jinala. The opposite. Maka 10,000 naira. Because Negan is Oku 10,000 Soku. Or wait for the people who have a post to a safe photo. Omuru is what by that. Believe me. And Omuru is the one wife. My wife, when he came to me, that is
Oh no, okay. You shouldn't bring his wife into it because don't bring his wife. And whenever Mathias, don't bring his wife into it.
I'm coming. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. One man be able to many years ago. We is Mbamoto. I won't come back. Tell him motor. Ole motor. You know when you're going to state. Ole ya. Call him motor man. Here you go. Believe me, I can use my connection. Through my senator, can prove the guy with his size. Why am someone try your question number? Nyamota. Osman try your question number. Make a bucket. When for the man against that, thank God for doing one. If not so, me I wanna start. Or some number number happen by force. We call him Meru. Up today, I have never had number the money again. I can go Kumba, but I'm sorry for Kumba. I'm very sorry because now
the truth remains. Okay, the truth remains. Mathias did what he did based on he and the money online that he never sent any money. Then when he go send the guy, no arranging, and everything he did was arranging. He had not worked the truth.
Listen, how can I add that quiet? How can I add that? Mathias now. My like if as my brother. As mamu na go senti. My no gide I get no gina go Monday na about you. Mbu na kunyeri na na kunyeri. Compare about ki guy dey onwogi ni wote gafa. Let me tell one thing is ihe na eso okwu 10,000 na eso okwu. Yes. Ego di woman na eso okwu a. Ndị ọzọ apụtara okwu onke di woman na eso okwu. Now, every go to you made the man arrest. O carry 10,000 naira now. If me bu me bank. Je confirm from bank. Who confirm more? Trace where account number one. Abu na ega abata there. Nje ku so bi na. Kede be go that woman no dey. Kede that one day. Come on.
Now. That is what he's doing already. That is what he's doing. You can't come against here. Mathias Karega, you know. Mathias, they have booked that money.
Yes.
That's the truth. And clearly, he sent the money to the man. Clearly, Mathias cannot come out. Mathias, so not send this guy go without sending the money. Me and you. It is impossible. It is impossible for Mathias to say, send the guy. Then he didn't send it. You understand me? The only issue was people went to the man. Among have the security man for him to now turn around. Deceive and that is why Mathias, even Eduto on the guy interview, was trying to prove that Mathias Ezeaku boy arrange kobo, which is very, very lie. Why would you say that Mathias boy arrange kobo? For what?
About the woman, came done neku about the woman. One now in there, waiting at there. He's a Mathias.
Okay,
back.
O nwere ikpe nnụrụ this our brother kwuru because apụrụ m akwụkwọ eji m phone a wee na-efolo. Ọ sịrị na Mathias karịrị ego a clearly. Mathias karịrị ego a clearly. Mathias cannot. Ịma na ndị Mathias followers a na-ekwu okwu, I always know them by their words. I always know them. Mathias karịrị ego a. Mathias karịrị ego a. Mathias sendịrị ego a clearly. He cannot say that no sendịrị ego a without sending it. People who are 20 times more richer than Mathias, in a money as little as 50,000. Are you not aware? Are you not aware?
On this case, Mathias cannot do that.
Forget about this case. Have you not seen where people can go? Have you not seen where people are? Na Mathias award garanya kono garanya. Ayabe hebe ebiaku na like ya kono like he. Ama no nya wo personal Lord and Savior. So immunity cover ya ni pe ni ne. O patago de chi ni ne nwanse to kwasa mmadu n'isi unu ya pụta kwasị mana enyi nsị tụkwasị mmadu n'isi.
Mathias.
Etu aka onye ọbụla siri kwuru nwere onye na-esi kwatụ ndị na-esi. Ekwetara m ihe esi. Ekwetara m ka ihe esi. Mba, ọha esi. Now, brother. Okay.
So one now when they listen before can I say, oh, would he send that the money? Or bonds so bad that's my word. Can if I haven't naga, if I haven't naga, oh, will come not send the money bonds so back. On a meme, oh yeah, me, my dad's question. Oh, J Bank here, you don't even know cooking. I didn't make four cookers now. On I did, I can't say, I did then network naka. Everyone never complain with the network is bad. Or the bad. What of us send there or bonds so back? Oh, me go no him. I can't cook him. Oh, me go no him. Because now you may make with experience. What of them not send there or bonds? Let me tell you to go. Or one dominant, I did put an mistake. You open the matter made good and don't have to when will on a divide this Obudani here. And if when you're divided, you marry in a player, you want to get you for the game of now. I process the kitchen to propose this young one. Oh, I cannot leave me alone with my own. I dream a joke of Nigeria, Obodum. I dream a joke of my family, and a joke of whom can be joker. You want to create a player. Munaga going in a community. Not a village. I dream as someone I'm tired. Can't go to a man. I didn't of one night with the worker. I didn't if they are not calling me, she watch it. People get enough of my even many Munan Dokanye, Boban and enough of myself. Mana, cousin, Berman, of Adus, Nibudidi. If you got this time, I'm not Kuzake. Many things are like woman and Broman, now cousin. Because I know within Doke of money Kebezo, Mataka or the woman, or the Kiwaibu, come away rich.
Mathias Ezeaku, his approach is very wrong. His approach is very wrong. Again, Mathias Ezeaku, he forgot to know that everybody with a freedom of worship.
Thank you.
He forgot to know. You don't condemn Undocha. Phone Mathias to the Okuko. Bundocha be here. Even upon Undocha water, Christianity at home, according to him. This
our brother Chenamecheta Yihue. Emana happened to her online. Her saying, no, I'm not a follower of Mathias. Mano Chenamecheta Yihue. Now, first of all, actually make one announcement here. Only on this program, mana name Alpha, that security guy, they made arrest. Send the animal message in our inbox. I need the names of that guy. Security guy, he made arrest. Oh, na gonna na alcohol or name on my family or name anything about that guy. I need the names of that guy.
Okay.
A minute, I need one.
Okay,
So approach Matthias is very wrong. You don't insult people and cajole them to you believe in what you believe. You need to prove your message. Don't force people to drag people into what you believe.
Thank you.
You are condemning the white men. In a condemn Ndocha in all their entirety. Mana, most of the thing in the go as Mathias, bo obodo Igbo ki sibunatia. Almost Ndocha couple obodo Igbo ki ibunatara. So there are so many ways he should have done his message purely without insulting people, without trying to sound so like an antichrist. That is it. Man, with a sense. With a sense in some of the messages on easy that are very good. Even the of Mab, when he tells you, if you're sick, go to the hospital. Now some of the father, na pastors are now saying more olive oil. When they are sick, they go to the hospital. You understand me? That is good.
Yes.
But for him to be threatening people, now about Jesus criminal, now about Jesus onyori, that one, Akamadria, you shouldn't be doing that. And people have the right to worship whatever they want to worship.
Thank you.
People have the right to worship anywhere. Man will worship Okute. Man will worship Nketa. That is his belief. That is his belief. And I have never seen him after Homia on a omenane in the bay on a kusi omenane. He doesn't teach our own tradition. He only focuses on Yendo Chabere. He should leave it. I am not a fanatic of Christianity. I believe in my tradition.
Thank you.
You understand me? But I will not see a Christian in Agoka. So no corner I don't know. I still pray. I still pray to my father. I buy from now. I pray to my father, my forefathers. I pray to them. I don't pray in the name of Abraham. I don't know Abraham. Moses. I don't believe in those people.
Thank you.
I don't know who Moses is. I don't know who Abraham is. I will not force you. No, you wouldn't believe in But on this case, I saw you. Na Matthias with every right. Is any means legally,
Listen.
Man, he handcuffed with the guy. See online, be very, very wrong.
Why can you
very wrong? He got it all wrong.
Advise that. Good advice. Let me tell you something. I want to watch my grandbrother. He is double. Oh, who can my grandfather ran off more from her. I got Abmonyajo and the one name motor now. And my Jesse Bajo. Oh, one could make now. You're surprised. Many things. One day, Kawago do about they have first before Kuiro. Mano Robodo, Nansuka, Arosna, no one.
Bikono, I na watch this program. I want name Alpha, that security guy, Emelu arrest. If you know the name of that security guy, Emelu arrest, Biko, send the Alamo message in my inbox. If you know the name of that security guy, Emelu arrest, Biko, send the Alamo message in my inbox.
All the very easy with it now is Google. That one that place on our security, that name of that place on security. If you go there now, yes, about our security. Now, no moji. All the very easy. I get back and went to his all information.
And the school
on our no moji.
School are the school they non conaro.
Yes, about on our all no moji. Once you go there, you will get everything you need about the guy. It's very easy.
Yeah. So when they go back now. Mathias Ezeaku, if you have made the man, you have intimidation on him. More right.
100%. I'm very right.
Emi John Jerusi. All right.
100%. I'm very right.
Emi John juru si that woman na nwa enye the woman na ego the security man say no na nyero ya ego. If the Mathias was able to 10,000 a day, ego nyere gi nye this woman na ka ebi with the money. How do you eat the money? Unu keri your own. Oh, you kwesịrị ejo. Oh, want to where my dad branch is. Let me tell you one thing. You man oduro mmo onye Igbo ji police achịara onwe. O nwere okwu mmụtara n'ọnụ this man na-ewe anwụrụ Ifeanyi Uba. Mgbe ọ je park nwere problem. Ka fe nwoke Anambra nke nọ na-emebi ibe na Asaba mere arrest for je back. Mgbe je back me appreciate the man wey Ifeanyi Uba wey say na eri mgbe nne ji enwe na ya kpọkọrọ onye Igbo police.
Evangelist ebe onye mee ife anyị ejije police with the easiest way anyị esi settle ife without anụ. Yes, the police with the easiest way anyị esi settle ife without anụ ọgụ. Mana ị akpọrọ onye melu something police ọ onye nwe ife o melu ka ị akpọrọ police.
Police nke ebe police gịnị ka ọ dị boy mere maka na ị karịrị ya na o jiri ego ị na-intimidate maka na ị karịrị the boy can do it. Ya si mara na the boy just wego or not oge mata atenti na 10,000 naira.
Ọwụ ife dịka na shop ofu nnukwu ọga ka ije ọdụ nnukwu ọga na onye nwe ka o si do ka ije goro afịa merie transfer wee kwuo na ịnweta ego ọsọ onye ahụ na onwetara ego. It is left for you to go and nya jee na your own side confirm ọlụ onye ahụ kolokolo na ego ahụ isendịrị na onwetara ya. Minus that, isn't it a police when you know what to do, especially when you are not under obligation. That is pure intimidation. Not pure intimidation. Intimidation.
You go to go statement of account na phone go see here, they withdraw a from your account. Have you experienced that before?
My brother, let me tell you what happened to me the other day. You can send somebody to, in fact, I can show you an alert.
Yes.
Phone mu na change and they need to make sure there. Na maro free station na Newi. Ije gbal fuel. We send the my boy. My boy, we made a transfer 70,000. I will buy fuel. If I name Thursday last week, if I name Thursday or Friday, no, Saturday, if I name me go to transfer. One phone here, man, I receive that money.
Thank you.
Go say alert. I said I am with a if I pull her back. Wugide ebe a mgbe gwa the guy say na maya Akwa we have to make a move from here. Mgbe gwa the girl we say na ihe shi yatakwa back ebe a ọ na receive ego e gbaila fuel ọ na reverse ego back to our account. I am na reverse ya. I drive go from Mayo to Capital Oil Free Station. I reverse ego na account my boy. Now point in chọrọ inye go na they did not buy live fuel because na he goes her alert upon not 70,000. Akogom nke mu na ije ụwa jelu. Akogom nke mu na ije ụwa jelu. Onwe onye amọ ije ụwa. Enwe onye amọ ije ụwa. Ego ahụ ije ụwa sendere 200,000 for 4 days or gaho. Oh, na the 5th day ka ije ụwa chi ya bank. I even went to my own bank na Zenith Bank. But ebe ahụ itichi ikwu mme ife mere ebe ahụ kwọsọ gbafere gwa. Ije ụwa lụzie na bank ya na the 5th day. Rectify ya Orona with that 5th day. You receive all the money. But I am telling you that alert is transaction slip is not a proof of an agreement. Unless you confirm no what are you don't see the slip because a proof matter go say how onya na go ni nye oyego. You go to onya if I go you must go to your bank you will approve onya na ega no what are you onya police intimidation onya osini wonyoyi osini zuru yoyi iye ji akpori police.
The only reason you made the boy arrest is to prove a point to Goma na Edudon.
Which point?
Ogugo.
Which point?
Ni abu onye arrange.
Makachukwu ka m na-agwa gị. Ọsọkwa Mathias. Nya kpọta onye isi ndị Zenith Bank or Eco Bank. Nyapụta ebe a na-akọ ife ọ na-akọ. Ọ ife nchọrọ ka m gwa ahụ. Ife ahụ ọ na-akọ story ka ọ na-akọ. Ọ nọ maka anyị ka o ji wee jeme that guy arrest. He's wasting time. Onye merụ onwe ya ezigbote ahụ. Na ọ nọ maka mmụnwa, ọ nọ maka anyị nwa ka o ji wee jee mee the guy arrest. Onye na-eprove mụ ka ọ na-eprove something. Ndị anyị na-eprove rie sinsi n'ụlọ ụkwụ kwetago. Ndị anyị na-eprove rie sinsi in terms of ụka and Christianity na ebe ndị person onwe na nke o kwetara. Even miracle anyị eme na telivishọn ọ sị narị nji oje na-akpọta onye mere ife a onye awụrọ na-ekwu narị nji onwe na nke o ji kpọta otu mkpụrụ onye n'ime ndị ahụ na-esekreti si narị nji onwe na onye o ji loketi kpọta onye ahụ ịgbawarị nji onwe na chigasịanụ coins ka agụ ego chigasịanụ coins ka agụ ego na ụnụ macha eziokwu mana ụnụ pụta ụnụ a na-agbagharị kirikiri
Even na your program yesterday. Even na your program yesterday, you called him.
And so what?
You want?
Okay, now we just print the statement. Since Ocholo go CI no transfer ego. It is our duty again to hold him accountable. They got transfer agaho. Let go to the bank to prove all in a guy. No matter the guy arrested. Does he show that they go gun? He must have donated the boy in their own part, but Ogosibo high because I am my figure on Ogosibo high. Since we decided on a full camera, we may lie show. We should also hold him accountable. Now that show, imagine that this woman I didn't again she do was here. Name will something important from that movement. Is it not up to us to come and clear the air?
Yes.
Can the man need mona that different no people can allege anything.
Sure.
If I decide to come and clear it, I'll come and clear it. Much he clear, yeah? I will say something and walk away. So, on Go Mary or one public show, we decided to hold you accountable out of that public show. So, if you need the email, why, of course, you can judge me because now sleep, I don't approve. Nego gal. Everyone who a bone of contention at this issue, you should explain to us. You should explain to us. I wake up, maybe send the agaho. No nyake ego. You will say, I know. Neki send the gal. You will go to sleep. I will no. Now sleep is not a proof. Neki send the gal. Ngu will say, you will since you should keep proof. Lie. Neki send the gal. Ngu will just say all statement. All person send the gal. You got to go. Every short keep prove lie. You want if you just send the gal, you will prove lie in Malego. Ni and Yamundu Kego will convert ya. I wait you in a high jump. You will not Bogari, you will not Bogari, hit you will a football in a public show. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning.
Because let me just leave this word with you before I leave. Because what I want to say is the truth, Buna. Mathias no nwere ụzọ ọ na-emetia. We all know. But we should not forget the good side. We shouldn't forget the good side.
Which good side? Good side.
Let me tell you. Number one.
Good side. Man, about them na you be fast. Why good side?
Chemist ahụ mepere na Mkpọ. That chemist shop according to you, not chemist shop o mepere.
Okay.
Enwere ndị ka na-aga ebe ahụ enweta free medicals. Or something ka ọ bụ. Ndị Igbo. We shouldn't dispute that.
Who are those people? Who are those people? Onye ebe ahụ eti akaụntụ NGO akwụ ụgwọ na akaụntụ NGO akwụcha ụgwọ na akaụntụ NGO another person chekwa etikwa akaụntụ a na-enyekwa akaụntụ nke akwụghị
enwere ndị na-aga ebe ahụ enweta free treatment Ezeaku. Let's not discredit that. Let's not discredit that. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile na-etinye akaụntụ na line atụọrọ ya ego wee nyere mmadụ aka. Onye etinye ego na akaụntụ ya were nyere mmadụ aka.
Ka njọ ajụjụ. You know the story of Anene and Onyenusi.
Mba.
You know Anene who a notorious Onyohi Amama.
Yes.
Aware that no one will be part of Anene's story that shows that he is a philanthropist. No, no, the melon de Madamara. Anene will be Poloku, who know me.
I heard that. Yes.
So, is it right now if we say, Anidi is a good person, let us ignore the part or the bad and focus on the part or the good, forgetting that that part about the bad is the source where the money or the good. Let me take it to my brother. If my aim of setting up a group is to exploit people, use so a little, we may magic and bracketabra, we can hold job and say to go to when you want to judge me, you should start from the source.
Yes.
You should start from the source. If you want to judge people who are doing something, talk about Okuro and Igbo. Okuro and Igbo will put your own account number. One, I posted a video of Mighty Numushu. Oh my aka na pocket ye. Oh my aka na pocket ye. Nde be ha ku na mba oh my aka na pocket na aka eluru no pe. According to nde na ebe oh my aka na pocket ya. Ha say no my aka. Oh aka ko na. We wopụta ego na hard earned money we je do something we empower the people of Umushu. The same thing with the likes of Bishop. The same thing with the likes of Fodun. That is where you will say, okay, let us do this. Man, yes, man, if you say that name Alwaru Amala, or one or Amala, none the man will take go and the mother here, direct source to account Chifa Alwaru. No, they are giving you the money, then you are delivering. My brother, there must be room for accountability.
Thank you.
That accountability.
You mentioned Okulora.
Yes.
You mentioned Okulora. Yes. When Okulora started, Okulora needed his own account and he never accounted for those monies. Don't even go there.
At one point, at some point, Okulora, Chenunu, my brother. At some point, at which point, Okulora could account from there?
When people started demanding for accountability.
When is he going to start putting people's account number? Is it not time? The moment he start putting people's account number, we will forget about the years of the Tanka war.
Thank you.
Yes.
So let's assume Okulora, those days don't 18 account here. Now only going to mother after the mother were. So we should forget about that.
When
that
people
era
started demanding for accountability,
yes.
Okulora when he came in, now looking at series of cases I treat go. I cannot really go back and start putting the records clear. And Okulora did not open a registered NGO. No, he did not open a registered NGO. He was doing it as an individual. Now, Okulora, knowing that no Chigaba, he decided to take the easy way out to show people that now, no even the written if I was just, he decided, okay, when is your Oga going to take that decision?
Thank you.
Is he not going to take it? He wants to go to
Mathias Abrogam. But I'm only telling you.
Oga go.
He will prove. He will prove now. He will prove.
Ndani na akpa ifeanyi uboga je wota prove ha ji we kwuo na oga. Anybody can be your oga. Phone move for 5%. Oya anyoketa oga. Let me go up. We will come back again. Mathias Woto. There's no peace. There is no peace. So, for ndị Kano na-defend ife nwe isi, you people should continue defending ife nwe isi. Mathias, we demand that you should go and release that boy. Onwe that boy imelugu. Onwe that boy imelugu. Only others may if you want to condemn go. That is why I have chosen not to take any of your words because Umaya Adonata consistent for once. Then you now support our police in the past. And Chanina man go when you meet for job. I know that this blew up. On Afubo Ife. Ono ya way. Ona go explain tire. No evidence. Ono ye mecha explore police station needed on Abuja. Ono Abuja Gune Jeba Asaba Gune Jeba Bidi. The table is gradually turning. The table is gradually turning. On Afubo Ife. This is just the beginning. In an Albani Kadeka. Okay, watch Ali Kadeki. She go back to the table. ịgbacha rịkarịka ichekwa back to the table. All no nwere onye for that guy, that security guy, drop one number in an inbox. Go, there should be no room for intimidating anybody. Thank God that when we spoke, he heard what we said, and the picture of that guy he goes. But is here picture of the guy, you know, what does he show you? Before name. It is us who are for the purpose of transparency. I want to demand the proof where the guy you go. For all we know, you may be working together with the guy. We don't know, especially the fact that the on a kuni with a no angel. The angel every at what point it on go angel in their life? So it is also demand the accountability of a guy is in it is not the security guy. So you should be confirming to us what a guy no blood your money. Why are you arresting the guy? It is us who are demanding accountability. Ogagosia ka iphone transfer lega ka man iji high etiepele na nwata nwanya iji maka we show interest enwetara ego. How are we sure na ndị ọzọ nwetara ego? Anyị nwere interest na ndị ọzọ maka ndị ọzọ wụ sableke ha alachapụrụ ọsọ general ego. I'm happy ebe but I'm coming back. Ndị na-send the request for battery move for 4%, but I'm coming back.